Hey bitches, it's Des, whatever. So anyways, this is how to make a frontal wig tutorial. It's like my 5th or 6th wig, but anyways, I got it from AliExpress. I'll put the vendor in the description box because I forgot. But the frontal's 20 inch, and then it goes 24, 26, 28, and 30 inch. I was wanting a 32, but they ended up sending me a 30. And some ugly ass lashes. You know AliExpress sending them ugly ass lashes nobody want to fucking wear. Anyways, bitch, so I pretty much co-washed the frontal and put it on my mannequin head and started to pluck it. I made sure I braided it too to get it out of the way, but I still ended up taking the hair down because it makes it easier for me to work with. But I pretty much like sectioned each section and worked in sections too, and started to pluck, you know, into my liking, try to match it to my hairline as much as possible. And I also wet it because I find it easier to pluck the frontal when it's wet. I don't know why. I try to do it dry and it's just harder for me to pluck it. But then again, it could be the tweezers because the bitch got some cheap ass fucking tweezers, bitch, at the motherfucking beauty supply store. Hell, I'm not finna go all out. The fuck? But they work just fine. I mean, whatever. Especially when I have the hair wet. So yeah, I just went through. I made sure I did pin down my frontal on my mannequin head with T-pins to make it not move. And like I said, I just went section to section. Plucking for me usually takes, I'm not gonna lie, maybe 30-45 minutes before I even start to make the wig because, you know, frontals do not come customized to everybody's head. So, and I kind of remember how my hairline is. I don't really have no drastic widow's peak or nothing like that. It's pretty easy to mimic my hairline. So I just go through with all of that and get to plucking, bitch. And make sure you pluck the fucking pluck until you like it. Don't have no harsh ass hairline, bitch, because you're gonna look like motherfucking, what's y'all president name? Donald fucking Trump in that hoe. And then you gonna be fucking mad. You feel me? That shit is not gonna look natural, bitch. Bitch is gonna be talking about you and you're gonna be on motherfucking Snapchat, Shade Room, all of that. You don't want to do that, baby. You gotta pluck that bitch, okay? Pluck it. Period. Still plugging on the other side, but yeah, it's not really too much to it. It's the same shit I did on the other side or whatever. Just keep on plucking. Like I said, I be really taking a long time to pluck my shit. I didn't record that part, but I did take the frontal off the mannequin and did like put it up to my actual real hairline, see what it was looking like throughout. But yeah, I just kept on fronting the fuck, bitch, never, hell. But I kept on plucking my frontal, you know, put it up to my hairline, try to see what it looked like, making sure it was matching and looking good, and then put it back on the mannequin and kept plucking. But yeah, bitch, you want to keep on, like, I can't stress this enough, y'all. Like, pluck y'all shit, period. Pluck it. And just make sure that you take your time. It's tedious. You want to think that, and be careful not to pluck too much too. That's why I like to do sections and like try to pull the hair back, see how I'm going, like see how it's going and shit. Pin it up, all of that. So anyway, here I am, sewing the back of my frontal on. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just sew that bitch on, bitch, to the cap. And I mean, I don't really have no technique of sewing. But I don't have no technique in sewing. Just sew the bitch on, girl. Sew it on. I'm not doing no detail one. Bitch, if you don't know how to sew, this ain't the video for you, okay? A bitch ain't finna show you all that. Especially with these nails. I ain't got the time, patience. No, bitch. Find another tutorial, okay? Baby, you gotta know how to sew on this bitch if you're gonna find mine. No, I'm just playing, y'all. But yeah, just sew it on the back of your frontal. Sew it on. Make sure it's pinned down so it doesn't move while you're sewing. And that's about it, really, baby. Y'all can really just speed this up if y'all want to. But this is just for the bitches that don't know how to sew. I don't mean to call y'all bitches, but I don't know y'all bitches' name individually. Hell, put your name in the comments. But anyways, yeah, bitch, I just sewed back and forth. This is my first bundle. After the first bundle, I go to the second bundle. Cut, back and forth, back and forth. But before I did pin it down, you know, try to see how much space, you know, room I got. Make sure I wouldn't run out of hair too. Bitch, that's a nightmare. I've had that happen before. But yeah, once I get done measuring, pinning, seeing how it's gonna go, I just go back and forth in a U shape. I fold my tracks as well. I don't start cutting my tracks to like I'm closing it up at the top. But I just sew back and forth. Again, if y'all don't know how to sew or thread the needle, all of that, this is not the video for you. I'll probably make one of those another time. But this is my first tutorial video, so I'm just doing this. A quick little thing, show some people how I work with these long ass nails, baby. Because bitches be thinking you don't know how to do it. Oh, bitch, I can. Psych, nah. But yeah, just sew. Just sew away, bitch. And if y'all notice, I work at home, so I was working too. So it took me a little longer than expected. But I got the job done. Rocking the fuck out my wig. But yeah, that's about it. I ain't gonna hold y'all up. Let y'all get back to the instrumental. Boom. Okay, and right here, this is me closing it up at the top. This is where I start cutting my wefts. Because flipping it, it'll make it really bulky and shit. Bitch, you gonna like you have a motherfucking helmet on, looking a hot ass, toasty ass mess, baby. Like them wefts. And that's really it. Just close it up with your wefts that you cut, and then you'll be good to go. Alright, so boom, this is where you want to just brush everything out once you're done. It looks pretty nice and full to me. I just was ready to go ahead and put it on, but of course I needed to go ahead and section it and straighten it all out, get it pressed, do my baby hairs, whatever. And this is the ending product. It's really long and silky. I haven't done curl wands on it. Wand curls, bitch. Wand curls. Hell, I haven't done that yet, but I plan to sometime this week. Cute. Okay. Alright. Okay. A bitch is fine, period. Okay, no cap. But anyway, babies, I love y'all. Thank you for looking, watching, like, comment, share, subscribe. That's it. Mob 3.